Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the mobile hotspot on your phone and noting the SSID and password. This is critical because the laptop needs exact credentials. Once done, make the hotspot visible and enable Wi-Fi tethering or Bluetooth tethering if you prefer. On the laptop, open Control Panel and go straight to Network and Sharing Center, then click Change Adapter Settings to prepare the wireless adapter for scanning and connection. You now scan for networks. Click the wireless icon in the system tray and choose View Available Networks so Windows 7 lists SSIDs. Select your phone's SSID and click Connect, entering the password exactly as shown on the phone, case matters. Make sure Connect automatically is checked if you want persistent access. If Windows reports no adapter, enable the wireless adapter in Change Adapter Settings or Device Manager, then retry the connection. This fixes most mid-process failures. You finish by confirming internet access. Open a browser and load a simple page to verify. If pages fail to load, run Windows Network Diagnostics and follow its fixes, or simply toggle the phone hotspot and the laptop Wi-Fi off and on. This often clears routing issues. If the problem persists, check your phone's mobile data, APN, and any carrier limits. As a reliable fallback, use USB tethering for a direct connection that bypasses wireless interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.